Okay, so this is the task. This window, we will provide you the link. Whenever you will click that link, this sort of window will open. In this window, left side is the segment part, right side is video, and in bottom there are waveforms, like the small waveforms of these segments. Whenever you will click on a particular segment, it will directly get you to that particular waveform. Like I have clicked on third number, I am on third segment waveform. Then I will click on sixth.
Hila is traveling through her country.
Now, whatever the speaker is speaking, it will come here in segments and also in these waveforms. So what we have to do, whatever the speaker is speaking, we have to check that it is correct or not. It can be in Pashto, it can be in Dari, or it can be in English. Whatever. On the right side, video will be there, and in the bottom side, segments would be there. So whenever we will click on that particular segment, we will directly get to that particular waveform. Like I have clicked on the third number segment, I am on third waveform. When I will click on sixth number segment, I will be on sixth waveform. So what we have to do in this task is, we will play the video. Whatever the speaker is speaking, either it in Pashto or in Dari or in English,
Informal.
it has been transcribed and automatically segments have been formed. So what we have to do in this task is, we have to check whatever the speaker is speaking, it is correctly transcribed or not, and the corresponding waveform is also there or not. Like the waveform, for the waveform part, when I am checking second number segment, like this, so I am getting that the speaker is speaking from that portion to this portion. So I can adjust the waveform like this and make it proper. If it's there, like these yellow part are errors, blue ones are okay. For yellow part, why this is yellow? The main problem is the style guide. In style guide, the minimum duration is 1 second and maximum duration is 7 seconds. So we have to adjust this like this, and this will automatically will turn to blue like this. You have to listen to the video, check the segments, and then you have to adjust this. Not blindly like I'm doing just for your explanation, like this. And if by mistake, like here, no segment is there, but someone is speaking, we can see this in the waveform, someone is speaking. So what we have to do in these type of cases, like here, let me bring here, someone is speaking. For example, someone is speaking after fifth number of segment. So after fifth number of segment, what we will do, we will click on the plus sign, a new segment will be added, a blank segment, we will adjust it waveform, and whatever the speaker is speaking but it is missing, we will add that. Okay, and whenever we are done with the proofreading and all the things, we will click on this down arrow and we will mark all previous as reviewed. When I will click on that, these segments will turn green, means they are reviewed. But I can see that there is a red exclamation mark. So there must be some error in that segment. So what it's saying, character per second 20 max. So we have to adjust the waveform according to that, and the error will automatically will get removed. So this is the simple task, and I think transcription is there. If the speaker is speaking in Pashto, then we have to write it in Pashto. If it's in Dari, then we have to write it in Dari. If it's in English, then we have to write it in English. And when you will do all the segments and you will mark all previous as reviewed, the review percentage will increase. Like just for example, I'm marking all these are reviewed. You can see that review percentage has increased 6% review. So we have to get this review percentage 100%. And when you will mark all the segments as reviewed, this will automatically turn to 100%. This is the first thing. And after your task is finished, you can see that there are 36 quality checks in this one. So how will you see that? Like this. When you will click on this, it will take you to that particular segment. What's the error in that? Subtitle line too short. So just very simple. You have to click on this and drag it. This error will remove. Then you will again click on this. It will take you to the next one, like that. That we will do in the next meeting. This is just a basic thing. And
Ms. Aka, please describe it once again. The quality check.
Quality checks, yeah.
Yes, I'm sorry.
When you will do the complete task, when you will mark all the segments as reviewed, then this percentage will turn to 100. So we have finished the task, but there are some quality checks in this task. We will click on that quality checks, and there are two types of quality checks. One is sync. Sync is regarding to the waveforms, and other is spelling and grammar. When you will click on spelling and grammar, it will take you to the automatically spelling and grammar. If now you have two options. If this is the correct thing, then you can select this. It will automatically take you to the next one. Look, it has reduced to 27. When I will click to this, it will reduce to 26. When I will click on this, it will reduce to 25. You have to do this, and all the spelling and grammar error will be auto rectified. For the sync part, you have to click on the sync, and it will take you to that particular segment, and you have to check what's the issue in this. Like subtitle line too short. Whenever these type of errors are there, what you can do, you can merge them. You can merge them with the previous or the next segment. This is the button for that. Merge with segment below. So in this, what will happen? This and this segment will become a single segment. Look, they have merged, and the error is automatically resolved like this. It's clear. These red triangles with exclamation mark are for errors. Means this particular segment is having an error. So whenever I will click on this, it's saying that character per second CPS 20 max. In style guide, you can check that. And character per second 20 second, and character per line should be 42. Okay, so maximum 2 lines are allowed in a particular segment, and each line should be less than 42 characters, not more than 42 characters. If by mistake a single line becomes more than 42 characters, like this is 63 characters line. So what we will do in these type of lines, just a simple thing. We will click anywhere in between. We will press Shift key on the keyboard, and we will press Enter button. It will automatically break into 2 lines.
Okay. Miss Isha. Yes,
and
understood. If there.
Yeah.
One person is talking in one segment, for example, more than 90 characters.
Yeah.
So could we do that in 2 lines, or we have to separate it into 2 segments?
You can make a segment of maximum 2 lines, and each line should be of 42 characters. So in a particular segment, we can take 84 characters at max. If it's more than 84 characters, then we have to separate the segments. We have to create a new segment.
It means that we are allowed just to write 2 lines in one segment. Yes.
Just 2 lines, and each line should be of 42 characters.
Yes. For the first line should be 42. The second line should be 26.
First line should be 42, and second line should be 42.
Okay. No problem. If the same person is talking, no problem.
And for this one, like it is saying 15 characters per second. So on 32 number segment, it is because the segment is too short. It's yellow one.
Yes.
We will
Yes.
enlarge it, and see, automatically the error has gone.
Yes. Okay.
So, see, this is transcription. The same language to same language you need to transcribe. You need to type it in the same language. If it is spoken in English and the complete sentence is in English, then you have to write it in English only. But if in your language, suppose Pashto sentence is there, Pashto word in that also we nowadays we use English words like hospital, application, any kind of English words also spoken in your target language, your native language. Then you have to write that word in your target language only. Okay, if single word is spoken in your target language, whether it is Pashto or whether it is Dari. This video contains both the languages, not both, in fact 3 languages. It has Pashto, it has Dari, and it has English also. If for
example, if they are saying they in Pashto they are saying hospital, should we write it in hospital or should we write it in our native language?
You have to write hospital
Shafafana.
only. You have to write hospital only. See, whatever is spoken,
But
you have
in
to
Persian
write.
language.
Yes, in your target language, you have to write it. So, see, basically, there are 2 things. First is English letters, and second is the same word is written in your own language. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
hospital.
For example,
yeah.
there we have Google. Yes, check that.
Sorry.
There we have already Google. Have you seen that the third one? Yes. Should we write it in our native language or should we write like this?
You have to write in your native language. Word Google
Yes.
will be Google only. You cannot change this name, but this is one word in your sentence. If the entire sentence is in English, then you have to write in English only. That segment will be totally in English if the complete sentence is in English. But in between single words are used, then you have to write in your target language.
We have 20. CWENT. We have to write like this.
No English letters. No English. I don't want letters.
No, like in our
Yes,
I mean like in our native language.
Yes.
Like
in
we
your
are
native
called.
language.
Yes, we have to write it in letters, not by the number.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And one thing else about the percentage. We have to write the percentage like in a letter by letter or by the Q.
One thing, use special characters as they are. Like for dollar, create a dollar sign. For percentage, create a percentage symbol. Okay.